Welcome geniuses, I'm Genie, your best buddy for A-levels. In this channel, we'll bring you to explore the secret formula behind success.
Hi, this is the requested video. The question is from October-November 2015, variant 7.1, question 1. Failures of two computers occur at random and independently. On average, the first computer fails 1.2 times per year, and the second computer fails 2.3 times per year. Find the probability that the total number of failures by the two computers in a 6-month period is more than 1 and less than 4. All right, when we look at the questions, the first sentence until here, we should be able to identify there are two Poisson distributions here. All right, so one Poisson distribution is for the first type of computer, and it has the failure of 1.2 times on average. So that is the constant mean rate, 1.2. All right, and the interval per year. And at the same time, the second computer, let's say we label as Y, is also follow the Poisson distributions. So the number of failures is a Poisson distribution with mean of 2.3, the constant mean rate of 2.3 times per year. All right, but in order to answer the questions, find the probability that the total number of failures by the two computers in a 6-month period. So for that reasons, in order to find out the constant mean rate for a 6-month period, we need to take this value divided by 2. Okay, because 1.2 is 1.2 times per year. So we are looking at 6-month period, 1.2 divided by 2. Right, same thing happened to the second computer, 2.3 times failure is per year. For a 6-month period, divided by 2. Now, what we're trying to get is the T, the total number of failures. By the two computers. In a 6-month period. And since the first computer follows a Poisson distribution, at the same time, second computer also follow the Poisson distribution for the number of failures. So the total number of times is also following Poisson distributions. And the constant mean rate would be 1.2 divided by 2 plus with 2.3 divided by 2. All right. So this is the Poisson distributions, and the mean we obtain is 1.75. So now we are trying to find out the probability that the total number of failures is more than 1 and less than 4. So to find out the probability of this, basically we are looking for the failure of t equals to 2 or t equals to 3. All right, and then we use the formula that can be found from the MF19 formula list. Is given by this, e to power of negative of the mean, and the mean, the constant mean rate is 1.75. And then when t equals to 2, then the formula will be like this, 1.75 square divided by 2 factorial plus 1.75 to power of 3 divided by 3 factorial. Okay, using calculator, find out the probability to be 0.421. Okay, so that is the probability that we have found for these questions, the total number of failure for the 2 computers in a 6-month period. That's all for these questions. Please subscribe to this channel and like this video. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.
That's all for today's video. If you're interested in more genuine sharing by other geniuses, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to turn on the notification bell, ding dong. Also, if you're struggling with 1 or 2 past year questions and the mark scheme just doesn't seem to help, Genie has got you covered. Feel free to let us know what question it is by filling in the Google form linked in the description below. GenieUs Hub will get genius teachers to fulfill your request for the solution. Genie will see you next time. Bye-bye.